Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're working on project number 6, video number 5 of our series, 8 card series, Lovely Lavender, January 2024 alternate paper pumpkin projects, okay? Let's go over some Buzzworthy business really quick. The February Sweet Springtime Paper Pumpkin Kit is available till February 10th to subscribe. To get it, it makes 9 projects and comes with an early espresso stamping spot. We have our Love of Spring dies. This is the add-on for the first 3 months of this year paper pumpkin kit. It matches all 3. It's $12 for 4 dies, okay? We have our mystery boxes here. These boxes are stuffed with about $200 worth of retired Stampin' Up products. Some are new, some are used, but they're all retired. $25 does include the shipping cost. I can only ship this in the US. stampwithshawna@gmail.com is where you need to email if you are interested. This is our January host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me in the month of January, okay? Let's get started on project number 6, video 5. I have to keep telling myself that. So we have 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2, thick basic white. And we are going to start off by gluing in the inside of our card. I've put this together previously, and it's a 5 by 3 3/4 pretty peacock with 3 1/2 by 4 3/4 basic white. Then just some scraps of some 3-color glimmer paper, the specialty paper, along with the card fronts from the kit, scraps from that. Okay, so let's go ahead and we're going to start off by stamping. We're going to stamp in Gorgeous Grape. We have our stamp from our paper pumpkin kit that says, just a little something for you. And I want to stamp this right up here in the corner of this square that came from our kit as well. Okay, so that's done. We have some more of that 3-color glimmer paper, which is 4 by 5 1/4. Yeah, that's 4 by 5 1/4. Then we have some of the Perennial Lavender Designer Series paper. We have one piece here that is 3 7/8 by 3 1/2. This comes from the paper pumpkin kit. It's one of the card fronts that I cut that down to 3 7/8 by 2. So we're going to go ahead and put this one on. I added the tear and tape so to make sure our paper can stick to our glimmer. So let's release all the backings from that. And we're going to add this on. What did I say this was? 3 7/8. So it's going to be a little bit of a border. Just a tiny border there. That doesn't look too straight. Okay, so we have that down. And then we're going to put this square down. And I want it kind of cattywampus like this. So let's go ahead and get this glued in. Maybe I should cut it. Nah, that's just extra steps for no reason. Gonna leave it about right there, like that. And then we can add our card front from the kit. Oh man, come off. I might not have burnished that down good enough. And then I'm trying to do it in the air, so why is that? I don't know. Oh, one more piece. Thought I was done. Okay, so we're gonna get this, and we're gonna oh, I got a little piece sticking out there. Fold over. We're gonna make sure this is lined up with our other paper and get it right about the same border at the bottom that we have at the top. Come on, Shauna. Get that down, girl. There we go. Okay. Then, we're going to put this on. I think, which way am I doing? This way? This is a, I think this is a 1/2 inch piece of this glimmer. 1/2 inch by 4 3/4, I believe. You just need it long enough to go across, and I want it to be slanted. But for some reason, I thought in my head I was slanting it that way, but no. Let me get my silicone mat, because this glue is going to be hanging off the edge. Which way did I just say? This way, right? It's just going to be a slight slant. We got to make sure we cover up our seam. Okay. Where's our scissors to trim off the edges? How are you guys liking the videos so far? Do you like this better than me just videoing and showing all the projects and only demonstrating one card? Let me know down in the comments. Okay, so then we have some more elements from the kit. We have the, I think this is the Lost Lagoon leaves. Yes, this is the Lost Lagoon. I'm gonna put that right there. I see I'm missing something. And then we're gonna put down this long piece from the kit. Put that there. Let's go ahead and glue this down to our card base. I see I'm missing a piece. We'll get it in a minute. Then I have this love from the kit. We're going to add some adhesive to that, some of this liquid glue, but we're going to put this down here, just like that. And I'm going to get some twine from our kit. I was making a bunch of cards at once. I was bound to miss something. So I want to tie a double bow here. Let's see if I can straighten this out some to make it easier. Okay. So I'm going to tie a bow. That looks pretty good. Got that cut. Let's get some glue dots here. These are the glue dots from all of my paper pumpkin kits. Put 2, maybe 3, because it's going on this glimmer too. So let's take the backings off. Roll it up in a little ball. Get that stuck down. Okay, and now we just have to add our bling. And for our bling, we're using the Adhesive-Backed Sequence Trio. And I'm going to use the Pretty Peacock. So I know I want one down there, maybe 2. Then I'll put one of the bigger ones right there. And this card is done. Isn't that cute? I like all the bling. All these cards are going to be blinged out. Okay, you guys, that is card number 6, video number 5, okay? That's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.